Hi, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kiko Javier here in Cebu, Philippines. I have a good news for you. Pero may tanong po muna ako. Napag-isipan mo na ba, alright, kung bakit itong mga owners of the multinational companies like PLDT, Globe Telecoms, Smart Communications, Sky Cable, Signal TV, alright, kung paano nagiging mga multi-millionaires yung mga may-ari nito. Alright? Napag-isipan na po ba natin yan? And alam niyo po ba ito ang sagot? Because they were able to build a very good base, alright, of subscribers. Maraming nagsusubscribe. Hindi po ba yung PLDT, para ma-enjoy mo siya, you have to subscribe on it every month. Ganon din po yung cable, Sky Cable, Signal TV, etc. No? And as people subscribe, the owners earn money. Tama po ba? Alright, meron po akong magandang balita sa inyo this year 2015. There is a phenomenon happening right now as you even watch this video, and this is global. Sa buong mundo po ito nangyayari. Alright, there is this program and we call it Total Takeover. Alright, and you don't have to be an owner of a multinational company to earn a fortune on the internet. Sinasabi ko na po sa inyo that people are already earning on this industry for so long. At kung hindi mo pa alam yon, please, probably this year 2015, this is your year. Paano ba kumita ng maayos na pera sa pamamagitan ng internet and online? Alright, and the good news is, it's free to grab a post. Alright, pre-launching pa lang po. All you have to do is to click the link below. Ito pong video na pinapanood nyo. And you will find out more how this is working. It's free. Wala po kayong babayaran. And if it doesn't make sense, please, it's okay. Alright, we will continue what we're doing. And as I speak right now, about 30,000 people from all over the world already joined the program. Alright, please get your position now because this is phenomenal. Phenomenal. It's happening all over the world. And kayo po, ikaw, Pilipino, kaya kita kinakausap ngayon. Please, magkaisa po tayo. Sino ang nangangarap sa atin? Sino ang hindi nangangarap ng kalayaang pang-pinansyal? Alright? And again, you don't have to be a multinational owner of a company. All you have to do is to click the link and find out more. And join us in this program. Total Takeover. Let's take over the world. Pilipinos, magsama-sama tayo. Salamat po and God bless and see you on top.